Let us see fifth question in exercise 13.3. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters is full of ice cream. Suppose this is the cylinder. The cylinder filled with ice cream. Given diameter of the cylinder is 12 centimeters. Diameter 12 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 15 centimeters. Okay, the cylinder filled with ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeters and diameter 6 centimeters. This ice cream filled into some cones. Cone diameter of the cone given 6 centimeters and height of the cone is 12 centimeters, having a hemispherical shape on the top. This cone having hemispherical top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Here we have to find the number of cones required for the ice cream, total ice cream. Okay, what is the volume of cone? Volume of ice cream cone. Ice cream cone equal to the ice cream in the shape of cone and hemispherical part. Okay, so volume of cone part plus volume of hemispherical part. This is the volume of ice cream cone. Okay, here we have to find the number of cones required to fill the total ice cream. Okay, so volume of total ice cream. Volume of total ice cream is nothing but volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to number of cones. Number of cones required total ice cream. It means volume of ice cream cone. N into volume of ice cream cone. Okay, here N means number of cones. Number of ice cream cones required for the total ice cream. Okay, so volume of cylinder is pi r square h equal to n into volume of ice cream cone is volume of cone part plus volume of hemispherical part. Volume of cone part is 1 by 3 pi r square, here radius of the cone, plus hemispherical part volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is radius of the hemisphere. Here r is radius of the cylinder. So pi into radius of the cylinder is diameter is 12, radius equal to 6 square. Height of the cylinder is 15 centimeters. 15. Here height of the this is the n value, and 1 by 3 pi is common, r square. Radius of the cone is diameter equal to 6, then radius equal to 6 by 2 is 3 centimeters. 3 square plus 2 by 3 into pi is common, r cube. Radius of the hemisphere. Here radius radius of the cone equal to radius of the hemisphere. Okay, so it is equal to 3 cube. Pi get cancelled. 6 square is 36 into 15. N into 3 ones, 3 one time. This is 3 plus 3 one time, 2 times. 2 into 3 square is 9. 2 nines are 18. 3 plus 18 is 21. N into 21. Here we have to find the n value. 36 into 15 by 21. 3 sevens are 3 ones are 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 12. 3 twelves are 36. Sorry. Here volume of the cone part is pi r square h. Okay, h value. Height of the cone is 12 centimeters. 12. 3 into 12 is 36. 36 plus 18. It is 54. N into 54. Therefore n value 36 into 15 by 54 equal to n. 9 fours are 9. 6 are 54. 2 twos are 2 threes are 3 ones 3 fives. N value 10. Therefore number of cones equal to 10.